Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine. And what's about you?
I'm also fine. May I know your name, please?
Why not? This is Muskan Palia.
Who kept you this name?
My parents kept me this name.
What is the meaning of your name?
My name meaning is Ismail.
What's your nickname?
My nickname is Musu Palia.
Where do you live?
I live at Rajiv Gandhi Nagar in Dewas.
Where is Rajiv Gandhi Nagar situated?
Rajiv Gandhi Nagar situated in Bima Road.
How old are you?
I am 18-year old.
When does your birthday comes on?
My birthday comes on 7 of August.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are dancing, eating and visit.
Who is your ideal?
My idol is Mr. Deepak Thakur sir.
Who is your best friend?
My all friend is my best friend me.
What do you like?
I like to smart person and good habits.
What do you dislike?
I dislike to bad person and bad habits.
What is your strength?
My strength are my knowledge, my willpower and my self-confidence.
What is your weakness?
My weakness are my hesitation, shyness
How
and
many members in your family?
there are 6 members in my family, which of them my parents and elder sister, she is married, and younger brother and younger sister and me.
What is your father name?
My father name is Mr. Bherulal Palia.
What does your father do?
He is private employee.
What is your mother name? What does your mother do?
She is private employee.
What do you want to become?
I want to become advocate in my life.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.